Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia for those who are new here, and welcome back to my channel for those who have already subscribed. If you haven't, please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. And today we're going to be creating this pattern, so stick around if you want to see how I do so. So because I don't want to bore you showing you how to create a pattern over and over again for every video, please do check out my past videos on how I create patterns, because I've shared the videos many times. So stick around if you want to see how I create this circles pattern. Out of circles, I'll be going at a high speed, so then just slow down the video if you want to follow along, because you can. Or if you just want to see how the textile repeat seamless pattern came along, I'm creating on Illustrator. Follow along, let's do this. Thank you for watching. Stick around, comment down below what you think at the end of the video. I'll show you different variations, and I don't want to talk much, so enjoy the music, enjoy the video, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications at the end. So this is what the pattern looks like, and using the same pattern, I'm going to create the inverse of the pattern, which is majority black at the background. And for the lining of the circle seamless pattern, I'm going to use white, which is what I do in the video. Follow along to see the process. And for this particular pattern, then I just shaded the black part background black from the inverted one, and left the inside parts of the circle white. On the creation of this seamless pattern, using the same original pattern concept, I removed the dots around the pattern just to create a different vibe, a different feel of the pattern. Check out the process. Same old same. And then for this part of the pattern, I just colored the circles into different colors and created different variations of the colors from the pattern. So check out the process if you want to see how I did that. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. See you in the next one. Bye.